Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I did some DIY gifts from Dollar Tree and I just want to show you some of the baskets that I have put together. Okay, I bought these little baskets from Dollar Tree. Each of them says Merry Christmas, and I got my tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. And here I have just some car wash items. I've shown you these items in a previous video, but I just want you to see how I put them together. In this basket, some items to clean the car. And some of you may say, oh, these are cheap gifts, but honey, it doesn't matter. If you're giving them in love, that's all that matters. And for this car wash gift, this is for a family member, and I gifted this family member a whole car when I bought my car. I gave this car to the family member in August. A good SUV, no problem, brand new tires. So I'm not just giving fun little gifts, as some may think. I give bigger gifts as well. And every gift that I have on this table is a fun gift, but I have also given these people expensive gifts, if you will. Okay, this is a tin that let me turn it around, that I put in some, let's see if I can open it. I put in some mints. If I can get it open. Anyway, let's see. Oh, here it is. Okay, I filled it with mints. And I have some little kitchen things in there. And, things to do the dishes. And this is a bath sponge. And some other little goodies in here. And this friend has two grandchildren that I wanted to give little board books to. Okay, so this is for her. And this third gift is for someone else. And the nice little sponge and some little personal things, some slipper socks, and the slipper socks I got from Five Below, but everything else came from the Dollar Tree. And these are just some of the little things that I put in her basket, her Christmas basket. I just want you to see. Now, I am not finished with these two baskets because I have to put the tissue paper in them. But this one, the car items, this basket is complete. So, you guys, you can DIY on a budget from Dollar Tree, Five Below, but most of this stuff, except one item, all of it, except one item, came from the Dollar Tree. So you all have a great day. Like, subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and don't forget to tap the notification bell to be reminded of uploads. Thanks for all of the love and support. I really appreciate all of you. I love you, Patty.